Back. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can run TikTok ads on your mobile phone. All right, let's get into it. Now, first of all, not everyone has this particular feature yet, so you need to check whether you have it. So the first thing I need to do is to come to this particular icon. I will tap on it. So once I tap on that particular icon, it's going to pop this up, and then I'm going to click on business suite. Okay, so if you have business suite, then you'll be able to run ads. So what I need to do is to just select promote. So I'll tap on promote, and then it's going to bring me to the TikTok interface where I'm going to run my ads. All right, so you have three options here: create, then you have dashboard. This is going to display every ads that you have ever run, the ones that are completed and the ones that are still active. Is going to uh, show all of that. Then you have mine. Okay, and this is just going to give you your account balance. Okay, so that's about that. So we come to create. So under create, we have three goals, which could be, we have three goals, and it could be either to boost your account, to get sales, or to get leads. Okay, uh, so you can, so if your aim is to boost your account, you select boost account. If it is to get sales, select get sales, and if it is to get leads, select get leads. So let's start with boost account. So if I select boost account, for example, now you have three options with that particular goal. You can actually use the boost account to increase your video views, increase your followers, or increase your profile views. So anyone you select, depending on what you want. So let's say I want more followers. I'll tap on more followers, and of course when I tap on more followers, I'm going to have this. Okay, so this is where you do the setup of your ad creatives, your video, and then your targeting. That's where you do that. Okay, so let's just look at it once and for all. So you tap on it. Now it is important that you have videos on your account before you start running account. It's very, very important. Okay, so that is very, very important. Now, so you click on the video you want to use to do your promotion. So let's say I tap on the first one. So you just click on the promote button on the video you want to use. So I'll tap on the first one, and then it's going to bring me here. Okay, and then you will have a particular promotion pack. So there are three of them. So depending on what you want to achieve and your budget. So let's say I want about 2,500 uh, video views. Is the video views? I selected more followers. Okay, so I'm going to have about I'm going to be selecting this middle one. Okay, I'll be selecting this middle one. If I have about 1,650 naira and I needed about 1,500 video views in a day, so I will select that. So depending on your budget, we have one for 1,000, we have one for 2,200. All right, and if you want less or more or in between, you can actually do that by clicking on this customize, and then you can put in your budget, whatever you want there. Okay, as well as the number of days that you want it. So you select it, and of course it's going to give you how much that will cost. So that's about that. Okay, so that's that one. And after you've done that, of course it's going to be a custom promotion since you selected custom. But let's go back to our promotion pack. So the next thing you want to do now, let's come to this select your content. Let's come to this place. Okay, so I'll tap on this. Let's say I choose this, for example. Okay, now I've done all of this. So with this now, the next thing I need to do is to just check how much coin I need to be able to run the ad. Okay, so the coin you are going to need, TikTok coin that you're going to need, is already displayed here. So you need 35 coin. So you can click on this recharge and check how much it will be 35,000 cost. Now 35 is less than 70, so you can choose 70. And then if you are going to be paying 1,700, so you click on recharge, and then it's going to, okay, let me show you. You click on recharge here, and it's going to take you to your payment platform. So you put in your account details, and then you click on one tap buy. You click on this one here. Okay, you click on this. Once you click on this, then it's going to charge you, and the next thing you are going to see by the time you come here, you are not going to see recharge again, but what you are going to see is start. Okay, so you can now click on start, and then start is just like publish on Facebook ads. So and then your ads is going to be under review for a few minutes, after which is going to be approved, and it will start running. So that's about that. So if it is about to get sales, you can click the same thing and then select more website visit. So you put the website link there and then pick any call to action. Okay, in this case I'm putting learn more button. Then you come to this place, put your website link there. Okay, and then you click on save. Once you do that, it's going to set it up, and then you can now come to select your content. Okay, then all of this you can do that. So once you have been able to, okay, put in your uh let's say we have seller.com, for example. Let's say we just have www.seller.com here. Okay, and then we'll save it, and we'll select, let's say we select apply now, and then we come here, we'll save it. Okay, once you've done that, yeah, now that's going to be your landing page, and your call to action is apply now, and then you already have your content that you want to use to promote. So all of that, the next thing is just to go to your recharge. But before then, you can decide to preview it. So click on preview, and then you are going to, this is going to show, and then you see the apply now button. So anybody who sees this video will click on the apply now button, and it's going to take them to your website. So if it is website, if your goal is to increase your website visit. Now the third one is get leads. You can actually use that one, and that's the one I've been using really. Though I'm still going to try that boost account out to increase my followers, but this is the one I am using particularly now. So I have more. So there are two options for you under get leads. You can have more messages or more phone calls. So I prefer more messages. More phone call is also good, especially if you want to eliminate all these unserious people, especially these annoying WhatsApp TV guys. I don't know how they usually get a wind of this thing, and then they come and begin to promote, sell the offer to you while you are trying to sell your offer. Okay, so, but I still prefer more messages. So I click on it, okay, and then the estimated result is between 946. All right, then I can, for define your audience, I can leave it at TikTok, or I can decide to use custom if I so want. If I click on custom, then I can decide the gender, whether it's going to be female, male, or all. Then select the age, then select the interest. All right. Maybe I'm going to try this out for my next ads. Okay, for a while now, I think I'm going to really explore the TikTok. And by the way, there is the web version, just like you have for Facebook ads. You have the Meta Ads app, which you can use to set up your ads, and you also have the web version of it. So same thing goes for TikTok, and the web version is more robust than this one. Okay, then so let's say we have all of this here, and for the choose promotion pack, I can select. So you pick any promotion pack you want. You already know how much you are charged, 35. Then you come to recharge, pick the amount you want to pay, and then it's going to take you to your account platform where you pay, and then you are going to see start here, which when you click is going to it's going to cause your ads to be under review, and after a few minutes it's going to be released, and then your ads will be running. Okay, so these are ways by which you can actually run your ads. If you want any of these three no campaign, whether you want it to be uh, for boosting, or for to get sales, or to get leads. So that will be all for now.